So this is a class tour of Mrs. Lindsay and I's 6th grade classroom. The desks are set up in groups, which they work in often, and a lot of times it's their table groups, sometimes they switch them up. We're going to start at the whiteboard where we do some of our work, and we have our character analysis in the book we're reading, or one of the books we were doing our character analysis and plotting on. We have our math practices, which we often talk about when we're doing our math. And we have our schedule in our toolbox. On this wall is the Who We Are, which is the IB unit. We have our central idea, which is mixed up right now, and they're figuring it out. We have our lines of inquiry and our learner profiles. And we also have a couple of the things we have done for this unit. And for right now, September, our word is principled. And we also have a couple pictures of the field trip we went on that has to do with our early humans. On this side is our library that we have not really used yet, but we will be using and they're going to start taking books from. 6th grade is pretty big about agendas, and we write them every day. So this is our agenda board. And we write them throughout the day, usually near the end. Here's our Choose, Act, Reflect area, and we have one student that has actually filled one out for something they have done outside of school. And here are our learner attitudes, and for September it is respect. And they actually have, for their random autobiographies, their learner attitudes and learner profiles on their little picture. And they have a hashtag risk taker and hashtag respect. This is where they put their backpacks. And this yellow board is our year in review. And so they have each transdisciplinary theme. So this is for Who We Are, and this is the Early Humans Investigation. These are the pictures of our books that we were working on for Maru. And when we have How the World Works and where we are in place and time. And on the rest of the 3, we will have all of those set up. On this side is our math inquiry board. This is our frog jumping activity we did, and we also have our exploration number sense, and so they get to get a problem and work on it all by themselves, which is really fun in groups. And then on this side we have our clips, and we change colors. Here's one of the activities we did. And on this board, we have our reading strategies that we use, and also the spotlight of the world, our national, global, and local. And this is the last side. We have our science inquiry, and we've done our cells. So they had to organize cells and talk about what cells were. And also they had to organize cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems. So we worked on that, and all of these were inquiry based, and they also had to draw cells, and they've also done a painting for cells now. And that is the rest of our 6th grade classroom.